Oh yeah, I'm on. It is a good fish. Saw colour. Yeah, it's right here. Oh! Look at this. Whoa! Like doing this in the Yarra River. It's coming to the kayak, so it'll be pretty decent. It's gonna jump. Woohoo! Look at the size of this fish. Alright guys, the seagulls are going absolutely nuts down there. So we're rushing down there because there possibly could be salmon mixed up in there, chasing the bait fish. So if we get there in time, yep, the seagulls are chasing fish, definitely. There's so many of them too. Alright, so guys, we're just about here. As you can see, the seagulls, they more have moved down to the mouth, but yeah, there's still action down here. No bust up. So hopefully there's salmon. I've got the plastic rod in the water at the moment. So we're just going to trawl straight through these birds. See if we can pick up a fish. Oh yeah, I'm on! Phew! Good fish! Oh, hey! Yes! Awesome! There's fish! Mate, my rod just buckled, guys. Wonder what it is. It's going strange. What do you reckon it is? Salmon or Taylor? It's coming up. Good fish. Hooked up yet, Luke? Oh yeah, see colour. This rod is bent. It is a good fish. Oh, this is a really nice fish, guys. Oh, saw colour. Yeah, it's right here. Oh! Yeah, it's right here. Oh! Awesome, nice salmon. Good fish, Luke. All right, come on, mate, come in here. Doesn't want to give up. Yes! Got it, Luke. Nice fish. Look at that. How's that for salmon in the Yarra, guys? Look at this. Nice salmon, just on that squidgy grub. Awesome. Awesome size fish. Let's get some more. So I got a hard body on now because I was actually taking photos. Fish jumped out, 6 pound line broke. See you later. Well, I was going to release him anyway, but Yeah, just lost a jig out of plastic, no worries. That's a silly salmon. Just got to take your time on these fish. Alright guys, there's fish busting right in front of the kayak. So we're going to go over this, over the fish now. Hopefully my rod should slam. Look at all the birds down there, guys. They are going nuts. They are going nuts. Come on, we've got to get one in here. Oh yeah, one. Yeah! Are you on? Double hook up. Yes! This is awesome, look at them all busting. You got my fish. Stop. There, it's out. Yeah, we got different fish. It's gonna be good to get paddled back in though. It's worth it though. Like doing this in the Yarra River, seriously. Like, look at this rod, guys. 1 to 3 kilo rod, but it's max on that. If I go any harder. Oh yeah, I see colour. Nice fish. Oh, look at this. Look at the size of this fish. Come in the net. Bloody hell, they go hard. Yeah, mine's right here. Come on, mate. Oh, they never give up. They're like kingies, especially on this gear. Bloody hell. It's right here. Oh, come on. It doesn't run anymore. There we are. Nice fish. Here we are, guys. 2 hooks. Nice fish. Just on a little hard body. All right, let's chuck it out and get another one. Come on, guys. Just at the start of the mouth. Fish on. Luke, they're down here. They're down here. Smaller fish. Oh no, he's coming to the kayak, so could be pretty decent. It's gonna jump. Woohoo! Awesome fun. Just waking up now. This guy doesn't want to give up. There he is. Don't go down again. I just worked for this line back. All right. Come here, mate. Come on, come on. Yes. Slightly smaller fish. Still a nice fish. Put in the bail arm. Smash that little hard body. Nice fish. Whoa, whoa. Which thing you're going, mate? Sure it's all wet. Bit better. Right, now we're just going to trawl around in here because the salmon are obviously just hanging around the mouth. Heaps of bait fish. Oh yeah, fish just busted. Right next to my hard body. Yeah, I'm on. Luke! Luke, I'm on! Luke, they all hear the fish. Whoa, whoa! Did you see those jump, guys? Another nice fish. Awesome. Yep. On again. Just chucked it out. This fish has helped me turn into this wave so I don't cop it on the side. Wind's not helping though. Jesus. Turn my paddle around. This guy want to go on my kayak. Sneaky bugger. Come mate, come around. See? There we are. For as long as we can until the wind pulls us around. Put a bit more hurt on the fish. There we are. Perfect. This is a good fun. Whoa. Come around this side, mate. Yes. Yeah, Luke's just onto the fish down at the mouth. Salmon and the birds are going nuts there. So, a bit far down there. But you know what? It's fishing, you gotta find the fish. So we're gonna go to the fish. Let's get ready for a rod buckle. Yep, I'm on guys. Right here. I literally just put this lure in, just started the trawl. Birds aren't even here, but the salmon are. So once you start bringing them in, just pump and wind, get it into a pattern, And then, yeah, it's easier to bring the fish in until they start running like this. Really testing this gear out. Yeah, the birds are starting back into the mouth. Yeah, he's right here. Oh, jumped over the net. Yeah, nearly got away, didn't you? It's when the fish go crazy like this. This is when you gotta watch not getting a hook in your hand, as there's trebles. Come on. Get the pliers. It's one hook, that's two hooks. Look at that. Awesome. Alright guys, let's get another live hook up. Birds are down there on the left and the right. I'm in the middle here. No birds, but we'll trawl. See if we can pick up a fish. Cast it out. Put it in and trawl. Trawling's more fun, especially on a kayak. Rod just curls right over. Yeah, I'm on. Look at that. Didn't even start paddling yet. Be good if this wind dies off a bit more, so we can just stay in the area. It's gonna jump. Oh. Yeah, that's right. Come this way. It's gonna jump. Oh, nearly. Double hook up. Oh, getting spoiled here. Did you hear the reel? Oi, put him back. Put him back. Yeah? Put him back. Yeah? I've got like 8.
I've got 3.
Just put him back. Kept a few salmon stuck up on snapper bait, and I don't mind them for sashimi, but yeah, we'll let the rest go. Got plenty. Whoa, that's a nice fish. Look at that. 4 salmon. Awesome. Give her a release. Straight down. Chuck her in. Got a hit. I think Luke just had a hit, so he might be in luck. Yeah, I'm on. Awesome, we found some. No birds though. My reel is full of slime. Natural grease. Oh! Did you see that? Did you lose yours? Oh, it's coming around. It's gonna jump again for us, mate. Look at him going nuts in a circle. Oh. Straight under the kayak. Come around. The net on this side. Nice fish. Didn't think the net was there, did ya? Swam right in it. Settle down. That's when the pliers come in handy. You can see, guys, but just around that corner, going nuts down there. But I think we've had enough for a session. Call it a day. How's that for the Yarra, guys? Lovely salmon. Absolutely belted them. Kept a few full feet and bait. Released the rest. Between Luke and me, we probably got about, say, 20 to 30 fish. So pretty good, especially on the kayaks in the Yarra River. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.